This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hi, I'm Steve Irvin with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. First, the latest on COVID-19. Lives lost to an invisible enemy. Monday, the nation honored those who have died from COVID-19 with a candle lighting ceremony and a moment of silence in Washington, D.C. America has now surpassed 500,000 COVID deaths. In Arizona, 15,502 lives have been lost to the virus. That's 15,502 Arizona families personally mourning the loss of a mother, father, sibling, spouse, or friend. Governor Ducey joining President Biden in ordering flags to be flown at half-staff for 5 days, beginning Tuesday. There are some positive signs. Steps to prevent such loss are having an impact. COVID-19 hospitalizations, both inpatient and ICU bed use, continue to fall. The biggest tool to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe is the COVID vaccine. More than 1,076,000 Arizonans have some COVID-19 immunity with just one vaccine dose. Nearly 400,000 people are fully vaccinated. The Department of Health Services is ready to open its third state-run vaccination site in the Valley beginning March 3rd. The state announcing they will take over operations at Chandler Gilbert Community College starting next month. Just last week, Maricopa County Public Health announced the contract for that location is coming up, allowing for the switchover. We talked to the state's former emergency management director turned ABC 15 analyst Wendy Smith-Reeve, who says in announcing the new state-run site, collaboration still seems to be lacking between the counties and the state.
It does serve the public. They are providing a service that is in great need. Totally agree with all of that. Where the challenge lies is in the confusion. And so it's like, who do you listen to?
Registration for the new state-run site opens at 9 in the morning next Monday, March 1st. The site will then run 7 a.m. through 5 p.m. Arizonans on Medicaid who don't have a way to drive themselves to a vaccine appointment can now get some help. Access announcing today they will now be paying for non-emergency medical transportation used to drive Medicaid members to and from vaccine appointments. You will need to contact your Access health plan to book a ride. Paying too much for power. In consumer news, some Arizona customers could be getting some money back. Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich finding more than 200,000 APS customers were not part of the company's most economical rate plan, so many overpaid. Tonight, a $24 million settlement was reached. Some consumers could receive $98 in restitution. You can now visit APS's website to see which rate plan is right for you. A heads up, Kroger, the parent company of Fry's, sending out notices to customers over a data breach, saying some personal information like social security numbers was stolen, mainly impacting those who use Kroger's pharmacy, clinic, and money services. The company is contacting people directly and offering free credit monitoring to those who are impacted. A heartwarming story of a young girl who makes comfort dolls for children who are undergoing major surgeries so early in their lives. This is where Charlotte shows happiness. The 12-year-old was born with a cleft lip and palate, a birth defect that leaves a split in the roof of the baby's mouth. Her small scar inspiring Stitches by Charlotte, where she makes surgery companion dolls for kids who have scars they may feel uncomfortable with.
There's a little boy, Theo, who he didn't want to wear his eye patch for medical reasons, and once the mall put an eye patch on a doll, Theo wanted his eye patch on too.
When the pandemic began, Charlotte started making masks for nurses.